Yachtpile Kids Journal to full information. Like, comment, share and subscribe. So focus on watch, listen, speak, read and write. Watch, listen and speak.
Underwater animals. Whale. Shark. Dolphin. Octopus. Crab. Sea anemone. Clownfish. Lionfish. Eel. Sea urchins. Jellyfish. Squid. Lobster. Shrimp. Pufferfish. Stingrays. Seahorse. Piranha.
Lesson review. Now read one by one.
Whale. Shark. Dolphin. Octopus. Crab. Anemone. Clownfish. Lionfish. Eel. Sea urchins. Jellyfish. Squid. Lobster. Shrimp. Pufferfish. Stingrays. Seahorse. Piranha.
Thanks for watching.